Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nee. So here I have my hair in some cornrows and I will crochet the ends of those ones that are left out. So in today's video I'm going to use the Freetress Beach Curl 12" in the color 1B. So here I'm just showing you guys how I crochet the ends into the cornrow. You know, basically it's the same process as if you would be crocheting a braid into the cornrow that you created, if you understand what I'm saying. So that's how the back is looking after you crochet each ends into the cornrow. And I already, made my little partings and try to, have a little sleek look. One little style right there. I'm just trying something, guys. So guys, after the hair goes through the corner, I try to loop it at least 2 to 3 times to ensure that it is secured to the cornrows. So this is the final look. I am so impressed with the result for my first time installing this crochet. I just love the curls, it looks so cute, you know, and all of that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.